Alright, this is the operation on how to start this tractor. Make sure it's in neutral. This is the choke. Pull the choke out.
Where's the choke?
Well, this is the choke.
Yeah, this is the choke.
Already started it. Here's the throttle. One click up. This is the lights. But you push the clutch in.
Clutch
Then
in.
you take your other foot. Tractor started. Shut the gas off quick.
Gas should be.
Gas, gotta get the gas.
Put up the gas.
Where the fuck is it? Oh my god. I can't find it. Oh shit. There it is, I got it. Okay, no more.
Right.
Yep, I got it, it's off.
You should up the gas every time you put the shut off the engine.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright, let's make sure this is off. Make sure the lights are off.
Susi niya.
And it's in gear right now, so it's not going nowhere.
The keys there.
Clutch, brakes, start or ignition, standard 4-speed, wood reverse gas. The gas shut off is right here. You hit the lever forward, then you pull it back. And this starts it.
Alright.
Make sure you got your clutch pushed in when you go to start it.
Good.
Wood. All right, I'll move the truck. Are you yelling at me? Yeah. No. Wood.
Good.
50.
Starting.
50 wood.
Yung gandang kamada ngayon. Ganda yung sa loob yun. Dami yan. Ganun si Kento, kasama yung talent niya ang wood. Kuya,